This is Mama Miche, and today in my magic kitchen, elote dip. Elote is Spanish for corn on the cob. To make elote, corn cobs are grilled over an open fire, coated in lime juice and chili powder, and then slathered with crema and sprinkled with crumbled cheese. My first taste of this legit mouthgasm was at Las Tortugas in Memphis. Yes, Memphis, Tennessee. And it was as authentic as was every delicioso morsel on the menu. Every taco, torta, soup, and salad was ridiculous. I still feel my mouth water thinking about their food. The fact that the owner's son was very personable as well as easy on the eyes made every visit special. I nicknamed him Eye Candy. This dip recipe may not be authentic, but it is such a crowd pleaser. Authenticity is not a factor. Delicious is delicious, no matter how you slice it, or in this case, scoop it. Tortilla chips or by the spoon, this is one of those foods that is hard to stop eating. Mama Miche makes your kitchen magic, okay?
Smells so good. Look at that. This is fire. Totally. You already know what I'm gonna say. Let's eat.